Hey, Mr. Shaheen, how's it going today?
Doing well, Josh. How are you?
Doing all right. So, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be checking some of your lung health. I'm going to do what's called auscultations. Big word. All it means is that I'm going to be listening to various parts of your chest on the front and back to see what kind of sounds your lungs are making. Any kind of abnormal sounds can clue us into something maybe going on else. That would be hindering the progression of your case.
Okay.
All right. So that's going to involve me touching your chest and touching your back and using the stethoscope on them. Is this okay?
Okay. Yeah,
Alright.
it is.
I want you to let me know at any point you feel uncomfortable or if you feel any kind of pain, okay?
Okay.
All right. So to start off with, I'm just going to get this in right here. And then I'm gonna feel around. I'm gonna feel your second and third ribs, okay?
Okay.
All right. So right here is like the sternal angle. So that's like the top of your. It's like that little joint, kind of like where your sternum meets the top, that little bow tie.
Okay.
Yeah. Fancy word for it, manubrium. Can't spell half these things. All right. So right there, you feel kind of where I'm at right there.
Yeah.
That's your second rib space. Okay. So that's the rib space between your second and third ribs. I'm going to place the stethoscope there and here, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good. Yeah, take a nice deep breath for me. Okay, breathe normal for a moment. All right. Deep breath again for me. All right, a few more, okay?
Okay.
2 is 3, and that's 4. Again. And again. Good. All right. Sit up nice and tall for me. Breathe normal. I'm going to be feeling around your lower chest, okay?
Okay.
All right. So. It's number 7, 6, and 5. All right, deep breath for me. One more. Okay, everything sounds relatively normal on this side. Can I have you turn around? I'm going to do the same 6 places on your back.
Okay. Do you want to stand for this?
What's up?
Can I stand for this?
I prefer if you stay seated.
Okay.
Just because, be consistent with what we did before.
Okay.
Right on. Yep, right there. Hands in the lap just like you had. I'm going to give me a second. Just breathe normally while I find these locations.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Can I have you kind of hug yourself?
Like this?
Yeah. Just kind of. What it does, it opens up these spots between your shoulder blade and your spine, so I can listen through there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, all right. Deep breath for me. One more. Okay. And again. Okay, breathe normal for a second. All right, and again. Another time for me. All right. Let your shoulders relax for a second. Breathe normal. Good. So this is like the bottom part of your shoulder blade right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm just going to come across right here, and we're going to say that's T7 because that's typically the landmark you use for that.
Okay.
Yeah, it pretty much means it's like the 7th vertebra of your back, of your upper back. All right, I'm going to do it on either side of this, and then we'll be good to go.
All right.
And go. Again. Nice job. Okay, so everything sounds normal.
Okay.
So I don't think there's any cause for worry there. We're going to continue on with your exercise program for today. And yeah, you can go and put your shirt back on. Thank you.